Hi there, I'm Roshan and welcome to Programming Portal. In this tutorial, you will see a Python program to find the factorial of a given number. There are multiple ways to calculate factorial. Here we'll see two different methods in this video. First using the loop and second with the Python built-in function from math module. And last recursion technique we'll see in the future videos. So what is factorial? The factorial of a number is calculated by multiplying all the integers from 1 to that number. For example, factorial of 6 is 720 by multiplying all integers from 1 to 6. That is 1 into 2 into 3 till the number 6. The factorial of 0 is 1 and not defined for negative and float numbers. So let's get started. First we need an integer input from the user. So we can write num equals to input. We can specify a message, enter any number. We need to convert this input into integer value, so we can write int. Then let's create a function which calculates factorial and return us with the output. So we can write def calculate factorial, which will have one input. Let's declare a variable factorial with initial value equals to 1. So we can write factorial equals to 1. If the number equals 0 or 1, then we can simply return output as 1. So we can write if num equals to 0 or num equals to 1, just return the output 1 here. The factorial of number 0 and number 1 is 1, so we are returning output as 1. Next we can use a for loop to iterate through number till the designated number. So we can write for I in range and loop start with 1 till that number. So we can write num plus 1. Then we can perform the multiplication. So we can write factorial equals to factorial into I. This will multiply all integers from 1 to that particular number. And finally we can return the output. So we can write return factorial. Then we'll call this function by passing the number as a parameter. So we can write output equals to, we'll call this function and we'll pass the number. And finally we can print the output using print function. So we can write print factorial of number num is output. So let's save this and try to run. It is asking for an input, so we can write 5. So output is 120. If you try to run with 0 or 1, so let's try with 0. So factorial of number 0 is 1. Python also offers a built-in function from math module for computing factorial. We can directly use the factorial function which is available in math module. Let me comment this. First we need to import math module. So we can write import math and we can write output equals to math dot factorial and we just have to pass the number and we can print the same output. So this is built-in function from Python. Let's save and try to rerun. 5. So output is correct. This function returns us with the output and will raise an exception if the number is float value or if it is a negative value. That's it. I hope you have learned something new today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you next time.